When you tap airplane mode on your smartphone, you feel safe. You believe you have severed the connection. But that button is a psychological pacifier. It is an illusion of control. Using an industrial RF frequency analyzer, I discovered that even in sleep mode, your devices are emitting invisible micropings. They are constantly searching for a handshake. Software cannot protect your privacy. Only physics can. To reclaim absolute digital sovereignty, we must abandon software toggles and return to extreme hardware isolation. Today, we are not writing code. We are bending metal. I am going to construct a localized digital black hole, a military-grade Faraday vault, designed to suffocate every electromagnetic frequency in existence. The build begins with raw, quarter-inch architectural copper. Copper is a highly conductive barrier, an absolute dead end for microwave frequencies. I am custom welding a seamless, multi-layered mesh. Every single joint must be structurally perfect. A gap the size of a human hair is enough for a high-frequency data ping to escape. We are turning this workshop into a high-stakes fortress of technological skepticism. The physical modification is complete. It weighs 40 pounds and looks like a relic from a cyberpunk bunker. Now, the ultimate test. I place my active, transmitting smartphone inside the vault. The RF scanner currently shows a massive spike in signal emission. The device is screaming its location to the nearest cell tower. I close the heavy copper lid. Look at the analyzer. The screaming stops. The signal doesn't just drop. It is completely annihilated. Flatline. The device is now mathematically invisible to the modern world. No GPS. No cellular pings. No Wi-Fi ghosts. We have successfully trapped the invisible network inside a cage of raw metal. In an era where big tech extracts our data through invisible airways, true freedom isn't found in a settings menu. It's found in a welding torch. Subscribe to Pluto's secret before your phone realizes it's trapped.